They are looking to see accountability, and that does, on the evidence that's in the report, clearly bring in criminal law proceedings. Now, you can have a private prosecution, but David Cameron's conceded that the state has let these people down, and I take the view it's for the state to do the prosecuting. And the police have got powers which mere mortals don't. I mean, they can take in suspects and interview them under caution.